Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Divergent, and Raytheon partnership accelerates naval system redesign with digital manufacturing. Divergent Technologies Inc. has worked with Raytheon and RTX Business to re-engineer naval products using the Divergent Adaptive Production System, DAPS. The collaboration has delivered program successes in production scalability and efficiency, including the modernization of a decades-old design for scalable production in under 5 months without original tooling or infrastructure. The companies also redesigned a legacy Raytheon effector, cutting the airframe's total part count by 80% through functionally integrated structures, preserving performance and survivability while improving manufacturability. In a matter of months, we transformed a legacy blueprint into an optimized, digital-first design that was then manufactured as flight-ready hardware using a next-generation, software-defined manufacturing process, said Lucas Chinger, co-founder and CEO of Divergent. He added that the success demonstrated the power that a fully integrated digital production system brings to extend the life and volume of existing platforms and meet urgent operational needs. Divergent's platform-based approach enables scalable fabrication of aerospace-grade assemblies without dedicated tooling or legacy supply chains, accelerating development and enhancing adaptability. Divergent's innovative digital manufacturing approach has compressed a multi-year development cycle into just a few months, which is a crucial advantage as our customers face rapidly evolving threats, said Barbara Borganovi, president of Naval Power at Raytheon. She noted that the approach shows how agile collaborations can accelerate capability delivery and has tremendous potential as we explore how we can apply it across the Raytheon portfolio. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.